Okay, so we've got the B-flat drone that we made in our last tutorial, and it's got 109 beats a minute. It's going to play a B-flat, phrases of 8 beats at a time. It is going to repeat, just a basic repeat, nothing too fancy. And let's say we know that this is a track we're going to want to use on a regular basis. Maybe we use something like this every day for our warm-ups, or we're working with a band or an ensemble, and this is something we want to take advantage of. Now what we want to do is we want to save this track. You'll notice up here it says new tune and it is not currently titled. So we can come over here and this little icon right here, this floppy disk, let's click on that. It's going to automatically prompt us to type in a title for the tune. So let's call this a B-flat drone. You can hit done up here, or if your phone offers done down here, either way, hit done. And now you'll notice the title is now B-flat drone. So we've got a title, but now we have to save it. So go back to the floppy disk, hit it one more time, and now it should say the tune is saved. At this point, when we make changes to Dr. Drone and we change some of the settings, it's going to give us the option to save those changes or to discard those changes. And then when we open up the app the next time, you'll be able to just go to this folder up here, and that's where you'll find all of your saved tunes. So let's click on that. And sure enough, we've got all sorts of different saved tunes here. And so let's click on our B-flat drone. You'll notice it gives you the option to open it or erase it. Let's click open, and boom, it'll take you back to all of those settings as you left them in that particular track. So have fun making some tracks and save them. And actually, in our next update, you're going to be able to share tracks with friends and other people that have the app. So if you're a teacher and you want all of your students to have a certain track, or if you and a bunch of your buddies are working on the same orchestral excerpts, you can save a couple of practice tracks and share them with each other. It's going to be a really powerful tool. So we hope you like that. Thanks.